Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are doing a full face of a drugstore makeup, nothing over 10 summer makeup tutorial. This is all affordable, you guys. Literally everything that is on my face right now is super affordable. Not everything is from the drugstore like Walmart or Target. There are some items that I picked out for my collection that you can buy online, but they do have the price tag of a drugstore makeup. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. There's really no updates for today. I just wanted to sit down and give you guys a bomb makeup look using affordable products and make it summer ready. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's tutorial. For my foundation, I decided to go with one of the best foundations that just looks so good on the skin. There's a lot of drugstore foundations that are amazing, okay? Because the drugstore does not play around when it comes to foundations for the millionth time. But for me, this is one that is just, it has everything. It's like full coverage, it's lightweight, it's creamy, it's buildable, it's moussey. That's what I meant to say, not moussey. Moussey, it's long wearing. Oh my gosh, it's just chef's kiss. This is the Glam Skinfluencer Full Coverage Foundation Balm. I am in the shade Golden. The best thing about this foundation is that you can literally customize it. You want full coverage, you got full coverage. You want full coverage, you get full coverage. You want sheer coverage, you can do that. You want medium coverage, you can do that. It just depends on how you build it up. I love to use it with a brush. This is from Japanese, also from TJ Maxx. Look at that. And then the match to me is perfection. So if you're my foundation twin, this is a shade you need to go with. Also, can you guys believe it's June already? Like, what? We're halfway through the month. We are going to be in July pretty soon. That means that we are halfway done with 2023, which, what? We just started the month. How does that happen? Literally, time flies, you guys. So, I can't believe it, but I'm also so ready for our vacation back home to Utah. If you guys don't know, each year we go back home for at least 2 to 3 weeks. This time I am staying out there for 3 weeks, and I am so excited. I'm excited to see like all my friends. Like I had a lot, mainly like my family. You know, I have like two really close friends from back home, literally like best friends for life, and I'm just excited to spend time with them. I'm excited for my kids to spend time with their grandparents. I'm just looking forward to our vacations. For my concealer, I'm also going to use this one by Glam. I've just been really into it lately. It is the Like Magic 12-Hour Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Coconut Flakes. It is such a creamy full coverage concealer. It's just so beautiful, and it's also hydrating. It doesn't dry down too much to a matte. Let's take it here, and then I'm going to take a little bit more here. I forgot to wet a sponge, so I'm just going to use this little ¿cómo se llama? This thing, you know what I'm talking about, this right here. This actually works really nice to blend out concealers. I don't know what it is about it, but it makes it look better and almost gives it like an airbrushed finish. So I'm gonna tap it in, and I'm not really bringing out my concealer all the way out here anymore. I'm just kind of like stopping right there. Now that I have you guys here, I want you to let me know what videos you guys want to see for the upcoming weeks. I do have some pre-filming to do. Since I will be leaving in July, I want to make sure that I don't leave you guys hanging and that I leave enough videos to post for you guys as well. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see so I can start pre-filming. Maybe next week I'm going to start pre-filming so I can leave videos fully edited, uploaded, and ready to go. I'm gonna bake my under eyes first. I'm gonna use a powder that I haven't shown much love lately, and honestly, this is such a great powder if you love that like bright under eye pink trend that has been going on. This is the JCat Luxe Pro Powder in the shade Porcelain. This is so beautiful. It is so silky. It is very finely milled. So it's going to definitely give you that airbrushed finish to the under eyes. And it is a lighter shade for me, but that's what gives you that like almost like pink under eye, and it makes your under eyes just look super bright. So also guys, I need show suggestions, okay? I am currently watching Desperate Housewives on Hulu. That is the only show that I can watch like back to back to back to back to back. And I never get bored of it. I love it so much. It is such a good show. But I am about to finish it. It's 8 seasons long. It's how long has it been since I've been watching it? I've been watching it for a few months, maybe 2 months now, and I'm just finishing the show. But it's so good. I love it. I love that show so much. But I am looking for something new. Right now, Brian and I are watching Life on Hulu, and it's actually based on true events. It is loosely based around true events, but it is such a good show so far. It is produced by, I think, 50 Cent. He makes really good shows. If you guys haven't watched Power, you're definitely missing out. That is such a good show. But let me know in the comment section down below like what show you and your husband like to watch, or maybe like a girly show. And there is a face. Now it is all matte. Don't get me wrong, I love me a good matte face, but dewy faces are just something else. Okay, so for bronzer, we're gonna use the Pro Fusion bronzer. This is like the best deal for your money if you're wanting an all-in-one bronzer for different like color like shades. So I'm gonna take a little bronzer brush. This is also by Japanesque, and I like to take the shade Maldives and Santorini. I think I mix them both, and I'm just going to bronze the face. I didn't want a cream contour today. I don't know, I didn't feel like it honestly. But this is, as you can see, pretty pigmented, and it blends really nicely onto the skin. I just wish they came out with a deeper version. This is like light to medium. They need like medium to dark or medium to tan. No, they need medium to dark, definitely. Not medium to tan, because this is tan friendly. Blushes is one of those things that I feel like the drugstore definitely has a lot of. So I'm not going to say that this is the best blush, but this is one of my favorite drugstore blushes that has a beautiful color. This is the Believe Beauty Creamy Peach blush. It's Born to Blush in the shade Creamy Peach. This is such a good formula. The payoff is just so pretty. It's not too much. It's not too little. You can build it up, and it has almost like a satin finish, so it sits really nice on the cheeks. I just like to pat it in to get the ultimate payoff. Also, you guys, now that we're talking about Believe Beauty, there's a store here called Pop Shelf, I believe, and they carry Believe Beauty brand in stores. So I was wondering if you guys are interested in seeing a full face of Believe Beauty, because everything is like $5 and under or something like that. So let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing something like that, and I can go in there for you. Let's apply some highlighter. This one is so good. Again, if you're trying to save money and you want to get different shades for a small price, go to TJ Maxx. They have so much affordable makeup that you can find at like Ulta and Walmart, Target, like that, for like a fraction of the price. This is the Revolution Cheek Glow Highlighter Palette, and as you can see, you get 4 shades: a white, a pink. This is like a beigey champagne-y color, and then this is a gold, like a true yellow gold. This one was only $3.99 at TJ Maxx. If you remember, I did a full face of like TJ Maxx makeup. I'm gonna set the skin so we can move on to the eyeshadow. And for that, I'm going to use the Catrice Ultra Last Fixing Spray. This is transfer waterproof, and it has no alcohol, no perfume. This is actually a really good long wearing setting spray. It claims to have an 18-hour long lasting setting power. Catrice can only be found on their website or on Amazon now. It is no longer being sold at Ulta, but yeah, let's go ahead and set the skin. Jeez, this mist is so aggressive. eyes have been primed, let's go in with the BH Sweet Shop Pistachio palette. Again, check your local TJ Maxx because honestly, these are just so good. I really wouldn't go for an all matte green eyeshadow. I saw a old picture where I created like an all matte green eyeshadow and I was like, oh, I need to recreate that again. So let's go in with the darkest shade first. I'm gonna use, let's see, I'm gonna start off with my brushes here from What's Up Beauty. And I'm gonna take the color Cone or Cup, which is the darkest, and I'm just going to take that into the crease. I'm gonna dive into the shade Nutty, which is right next to it. It's literally almost the same color as my shirt. And I am going to, I'm gonna use that color to blend out the shade that we just laid down. And then I'm going to switch to a fluffier brush and I am going to go in with the shade Soft Serve, which is the lightest, and I'm going to use that to help me blend out the shade that we just laid down. And I'm using a 50-50 method. If you guys don't know what that means, so you put your brush down and you're half on the color and half on your skin. That way you're not overlapping it, but you're just combining the colors. Does that make sense? As you can see, the color is nice and blended. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back with the same shades and just kind of like further blend out that deep color because it's not blended. So I'm just going to repeat the process pretty much just till I get it to the saturation that I want. Now we're gonna go back into our eyeshadow and I am gonna take once again the lightest shade. That is the color that I will be placing all over the lid. Okay, so I've lined my lips using the Sweet Tea lip liner by Morphe, and then I'm gonna go in with 2 lipsticks by Morphe. I'm first going to take the shade Commit, which is a true like beige, and I just take that all over. Just like that. And as you can see, that on its own, it's absolutely beautiful. But then I'm going to take the shade Commit, which is a very light, almost like a skin tone beige. I gotta clean it off a little because it's a little dirty. And I take that in the center, right there. And then right here. And here you have it, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love the way this turned out. I'm pretty sure like it's trickling back into my memory. I feel like I've done this look before and I'm so sorry that I have, but you just can't go wrong with green. So that is it for today's video. What do you guys think? This is a full face of drugstore makeup, nothing over 10. I love it. This just goes to show you that you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on makeup as long as you have these skills. Literally, that's all you need to rock a full face beats looking bomb AF using drugstore makeup. So Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.